Hello everyone, welcome to the another training package by Opesh Singh. It's 7 face-to-face coaching session by Opesh Singh. So what we are offering you? 7 days one-on-one coaching training personally. Each day 2 hours of personal coaching. Opportunity to get expert advice support from the Opesh Singh team. 1 day optional meeting at your office with Mr. Opesh Singh. How we are unique and how we can set your signature on this world. Unique market penetration technique for your selected startup and existing business case study. Advice according to your budget, what you can do and where you can do. So let's begin. Mr. Opesh Singh not only advise to support the business but also can help you to set the new business and the most optimum business from scratch to a model. So guys, what are you waiting for? Be unperishable, unbreakable and unstoppable. Visit opeshsingh.com. The 7 face-to-face session with Opesh Singh will gonna change your life. Let's begin.